Are you fed up with those pesky foot twitches ruining your double bass drumming? Ah! Well, fear not, I'm here to help you. With a few different tips and tricks, you'll be able to fix those twitching feet and get back to playing double bass drumming like a pro. First, let's talk about technique. When it comes to using your double pedals properly, proper technique is key. Instead of trying to press down on the pedals with your toes, use your heel instead. So basically just lift up your heel like this. By using your heel, you will be able to avoid overusing your toes that cause you to twitch with your feet on your pedals. Next, let's talk about balance. Now, if you don't have the best set of pedals, this can cause unwanted vibrations or differences and changes in your pedals, which will get you and give you more fatigue in your playing. You also need to consider the following. If you have really tight springs on your double pedals, it's going to make for a harder time to control them at faster speeds, especially if you're not used to it and it's not something that you've developed control with. So adjust them accordingly to ensure that they're stable and responsive to your foot. But it's not just your pedals that need to be in shape. We need to take care of our feet as well, so don't forget about this part. If you find yourself over practicing and overusing your muscles, you're gonna build fatigue over longer periods of practice time. And that's why I mention to a lot of my coaching students and people in my courses that you only need shorter, fragmented, focused practice time to implement the right stuff so that you can achieve your goals much faster. I find a lot of people who like to over practice just end up getting frustrated because they're developing the wrong ideas and using improper technique, which is in turn not causing or giving them the results that they desire. So it's important that we remember to relax while we're playing for shorter periods of time, and remember to give yourself some space between practice time so that it gives your muscles some rest. Another potential cause of foot twitching on your double pedals is tension. If you're feeling stressed or anxious behind your drum set while you're practicing, then that's going to cause your muscles to tense up and you're not even going to have to think about it. To avoid this, try and relax when you play, let your shoulders down, keep your legs nice and relaxed, and focus on what you're playing. You can also try some simple relaxation exercises, and my favorite are the Derek Roddy breathing exercises, and you do that every 4 bars. So you'll play, breathe in, and then breathe out, and then just focus on your breathing. Don't overdo it. You don't want to hyperventilate, and this will really help take the focus off all the tension in your feet to really help you focus on actually playing. So that will help you reduce any tension that is in your legs or in your feet while you're playing or practicing your drums. And most importantly, it's going to help improve your overall experience with the instrument. Finally, it's important to make sure that your pedals are in good working order. So you want to take care of them, and you want to have a maintenance routine by cleaning all the joints and making sure you have a nice clean set of double pedals so that they don't get all rusty and shaky and unresponsive to your feet and what you want to actually communicate through yourself to the pedals and onto the instrument. So there you have it, a few simple tips to help you get rid of that pesky foot twitching and get you back to playing the double pedals and the drums that you love. With a little bit of practice and patience, you'll be rocking out on your double pedals in no time. So if you want to see some more double pedal exercises and more in-depth training, you can check out this playlist above to get some more answers to your burning questions. Thanks so much for watching. My name's Fleury. Have fun, play drums.